Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and today I have for you my Halloween box from Paw Ply Yarn Co. So I thought I'd open it up and go through it with you. It's going to be fun. So, oh my goodness, it is chock full. So, I don't know where I'm going to put it. Oh my gosh. So, let me move my mouse. So, here we go. Let's set it up here and we'll go through it. It is full of stuff. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff. So, the first thing I see is this Hallow Scream marshmallow topper, and there's like 6 of them in there. Isn't that cool? Look at that. There's pumpkins. Oh, I love that. There's the sugar-coated marshmallows. So when you make hot chocolate, you plop your marshmallow on top of it. That's super cool. I like that. See? Float on the top of your hot chocolate. I love that. I love that. Oh, I gotta figure out where I'm gonna set stuff. Okay. Oh. Oh, and he sent some stitch markers. Look, he sent me some crayons. I never had those. Those are way cool. What else is in here? Oh my goodness, there's like stuff everywhere. Look, some candy coins. Look, there's some eyeballs. Oh, there's pumpkins. Look, there's a black cat. Oh, we gotta see what these other ones are. Eyeballs. Come on, follow. Look, pumpkins. These are like fun. These are super fun. Look, there's Frankie. Oh my goodness. That's gonna be fun. Oh, I'm gonna open this up, because this looks like something Froggy's gonna love. Because, well, you know me. This is cute. It's not gonna jump in my hand. Oh, it'll jump on my desk though. It's an eyeball and it jumps. Oh, it's jumping on my desk. It does jump. And Pusheen's gonna go nuts over that. I'm not sharing with Pusheen. I love the eyeball. Oh my god. Oh man, there's like a whole bag of stuff. Let's just dump it out. Ooh. 3 slap bracelets, guys. Happy Halloween. And then the kitty cats and the pumpkin ones. Kitty cats and pumpkins. And then we have bats. Oh, I missed. I got it on. I got them on, 3 on. Just saying. Oops. I knocked my camera down. Oops. And then we have these. These are Choco Lollies. Look at that. Oh, that's right up Froggy's alley. Oh my. And we got some of these. I don't know where they all are. Oh. Got some refreshers. And we got some of these. What is this? Oh, maple fudge. It's coffee in a packet. And I've got this one. Amaretto almond. And I've got this one. Chucky orange. Coffee in a packet. I like that. Look. It's a lolly. It's a lolly. Don't mind me. I'm super excited. I'm over here going, ooh, what's in the box? Oh, I like drumsticks. Drumsticks are yumsters. Ooh, more refreshers. I knew they were there. I seeded them. More refreshers. Just saying. I'm playing with my eyeball. I'm just saying. I'm playing with my eyeball. Oh, we got some smarties, some love hearts. Oh, fizzers. There's like candy all over my desk now. Oh. You know I like these. Look, they're dairy buttons. But look who's on the front of the dairy buttons. It's Fredo the frog. There's like stuff everywhere. Oh, these are super cool. Oh my god, these are so cool. I know you guys think I'm a child. I'm a child. But look. And the cat. Look. It's a witch. And it's a ghosty. Yes, they're erasers. Yes, I will play with them. I'm just saying. Oh my. Oh my. There's another refresher. There's like stuff everywhere. There's like stuff everywhere. Oh, this will come in handy. Look, it's a treat bag. I'm going to use this for yarn. Just saying. I'm going to use this for yarn. It's a kitty. It's a kitty. Ooh, I didn't wake up mine, did I? Just checking. Okay. Oh, look. These are super cool. But look. Oh. It's a haunted house. And look, wait. Oh, it's Mr. Bones. Mr. Bones. Oh, it's a bracelet. Look. And it's got Mr. Bones. Oh, have you met Froggy? She loves Mr. Bones. The piece de resistance. Isn't that stunning? That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It's so soft and squishy. Oh, it's really soft. Oh, look, let's see what it is. It is a pretty woman. Whoa, that's 100% Highland wool. 200 meters DK weight. Wow. That's wool? Highland wool? It's not scratchy, guys. Wow. Oh, I would so wear a cowl. I would. Oh, I'd wear a sweater out of this. It's not itchy. That's super soft. Oh, I like that. And, oh, gotta take my eyeball out. Okay, that is everything in the box. So we can close up the box. I got one more thing to show you. So I can close up the box. Okay. And there's one more thing. What's in the box? Look. It's an Oslo bag. I don't have one. Oh, this is fantastic. And it's a box bottom. Look at that. Oh, it's got a ring in it, too. Oh, it's got a ring for stitch markers. Wow. Look at that. That yarn is really soft. For Highland wool. Look at that. So we got the bag and the yarn. We got another bag, which I'm going to use for yarn. I'm actually sticking my project in it. That's right here in there. Definitely going to do that. We got a treat bag, and I've got like all these dairy milk buttons, which is like amazing. I've got Chucky coins. There it is. Hollow Screen Milk Chucky coins. And I've got like a bunch of these refreshers. And I got some, oh, there's another refresher. And then I've got some coffees. And I'm not done by any means. I got a drumstick, Love Hearts, and Fizzies, and 2 Choco Pops, a lolly, all my erasers. Got a bunch of those. Oh, all these erasers. That's Amazeballs. I definitely can't stick the marshmallows in there. Definitely can't do that. So that's a bunches of candy. That's a lot of candy. And then I have the stitch markers in here, which are like super Amazeballs. In case you forgot, I got the crayons, and they are gorgeous. Stitch markers. I got the 2 Halloween key rings, which are just amazing. Love those. I got this great Skelly bracelet, which I'm going to put on. I got these other slappy bracelets right here. 1, and 2, and 3, and Mr. Eyeball. So, what do I think? I think this is like a hit out of the park. This is definitely, I had 12 out of 10. This was like awesome sauce. Love, love, love this Halloween box. This is fantastic. They're sold out. His Halloween Advent was sold out, and his Christmas Advent was sold out. But if you want to get one of his Christmas boxes, you can. Just email Daniel at pawplyyarns@gmail.com, and you could get a Christmas box. This is fantastic. I love everything. It's fantastic. So I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. I'm going to go play. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.